Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn the search feature on or off on YouTube Kids. So if you want your kids to only watch video recommended by the app, or you want them to be able to search for new content, controlling the search features on the app is a crucial step in managing their viewing experience. So first, what you need to do to toggle the search function on or off, you can just go to the parental control menu by clicking on the gear icon at the top right corner. And in here, you need to enter your passcode first to enter the menu. Now you can just scroll down and just select the kids profile that you want to adjust. For example, this one here, you need to enter your email password. And once you're in the kids profile setting, you can just scroll down, and here you'll see the search section. So as you guys can see, now it's currently on, so my kid can search or can find the content that I want. But if you want to turn it off, so it will restrict the experience to a more limited set of videos, you can just click on this button or toggle it off easily, and you can just click on OK. And just like that, now the search feature is off. So take control of what your kids can find and watch, and learn how you can manage the search settings today. Just follow my steps. And that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next one.